Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use probiotics for dogs. Probiotics are tiny, helpful microorganisms that play a big role in your dog's overall well-being. They work by maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria in their gut, which is essential for proper digestion and a strong immune system. You might consider adding them to your dog's routine if they experience occasional digestive upset, are taking antibiotics, or are under stress. Choosing the right probiotic is key for your furry friend. Always opt for products specifically formulated for dogs, as human probiotics may not be suitable. Look for a blend of beneficial bacterial strains, such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, and ensure the label clearly states the number of colony-forming units, or CFU, which should be in the billions. Reputable brands often provide third-party testing results, assuring quality and potency. Administering probiotics correctly ensures your dog receives the full benefits. Always adhere to the dosage guidelines on the product label or as advised by your veterinarian. Most probiotics can be easily mixed into your dog's food, while others come in chewable forms. The most important aspect is consistency. Giving probiotics daily, rather than sporadically, will help maintain a stable and healthy gut environment over the long term. After starting probiotics, closely observe your dog for positive changes. You might notice improved digestion, more consistent and healthy stool, and even a boost in their overall energy and mood. It's often recommended to continue probiotic supplementation for at least 4 to 6 weeks to fully evaluate their effectiveness. If you have any questions or observe unusual symptoms, always consult your veterinarian for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.